When we pray, it should be in earnest. Sometimes we have our own solutions. Kaya walang earnestness. Kasi may mga, we go through the motions of prayer. Kunwari, nagpre-pray si Pastor Johnny, but I actually already have solutions. So why do you need to go to God if you already have your solutions? You can never be earnest in your prayer if you have your own solutions. But when you realize that your solutions are no good, or even if you think that your solution is good, always remember that God's solution is much, much better than yours. And so when you realize that, then you can pray in earnest. Dapat po sincere. Your humble admission of helplessness is your best prayer. Tulad po ng prayer ng isang sinner, Lord, I cannot save myself. Di ba? I cannot merit salvation. I cannot do good works. I cannot do anything for salvation. So Lord, would you please forgive me? Cleanse me from my unrighteousness. Please save my soul. That is an earnest prayer. Because that sinner understands he cannot do anything. Ganun din po in prayer. It calls from your heart to the heart of God with greater effect than all your uttered requests.